Hello. So I'm going to provide some instruction on how to create labels in the Quileute language with a QR code that gives you the pronunciation of the word. So in order to do this, a couple things that you'll need to have available. One is the English to Quileute dictionary that has audio pronunciation online, and you find that at quileutelanguage.com. And the other thing you'll want to go do is go to the Quileute Nation website, click on Culture, go to Language. There you will find the Quileute font that you can download, and I already have it installed, but what you can do is click Install. When you do that, what happened for me, and hopefully it'll be easy for you as well, is when you are in Word, you can put a Q in there and Quill Times will show up, and that's what you want to be able to use in a Word doc. This does not work in Google Docs. Google Docs does not recognize the font. The other thing you'll want to pull up is the QR code generator. I just put in Google QR code generator. The first one that showed up, I clicked on, and this has been really easy to use. And those are the things that you want to have ready. So when you go into the dictionary and you decide on a word that you would like to do, so we're going to do hello or hi. The first thing that you'll do is copy the word over here. Take that into your Word doc and give yourself a little space. Make sure that you are in Quill, and then you'll want to paste. Usually the middle option gives that to you. Then you will go back to the dictionary. You will right-click on the green speaker and hit Copy Link Address. Then you go to your QR code generator, right-click and paste that in there, and then a QR code comes up. I've been using this Scan Me border, and you have a couple options here. You can either download this as an image and then insert that image into your Word doc. I have noticed that it's a little bit faster for me to do the snip and sketch option. So I just use this. If you don't have this, then the download and insert option works just as well. But this just goes a little faster for me. Then I can copy that, go to my Word doc, paste that in. Comes in a little large, so I'm going to reduce the size of that. And then after that, I want to switch out of Quill Times to Times New Roman, and I would put hi. Then to create sort of a label-like shape, I have been inserting shape. And I like the rounded rectangle. You can kind of bring it around like that. Shape fill, no thank you. Shape outline in black, and the weight at 4.5. I feel like that looks pretty good. And if you need to, you can also change the page layout. So if this doesn't provide you with enough space in this regular sort of up and down, you could also change it to landscape, and that way you could get some longer words fitting on your page. So that is how you create a Quileute label with the QR code that links to an audio pronunciation. Thank you for your help.